that why our alphabet has changed. Have anybody has given this thought? For reading check, this is A. But for us, yes, basically this is A, but with a different characteristic. Why this changes occur? There should be some logical reason or scientific reason. Can anybody guess why this change occurs? The simple A and maximum. Okay. Anybody else? Personality changes, yes, because of what? Personality changes because of what? Personality changes because of what? Okay. Thought pattern. Anybody else? Your environment, your caretakers, your neighbor, your relatives, everybody is affecting your thought pattern. You are surrounded by many people. So everything affects on you. But if you stick to your rules, that I will not change my way of writing, writing the particular alphabet, nothing will affect you. Why? Because of some sort of our own compromise. We compromise to the situation. We surrender to the situation. Say it for selfish benefit or momentary requirement. That changes this pattern of alphabet. But in future, we forget to come back to the original one. Why? Because we are enjoying benefit of our surrendering or our selfishness. Because this will be maintained only if we know how to fight out. Most of the cases, people, they feel better to fight out instead of fight out. Instead of fighting out with the situation, they feel better it is to fight out from the situation. The people, those who are remaining there to fight out the situation and solve the problem, in their alphabet doesn't change much. Otherwise, things are changing like this. So when we are surrendering ourselves to the situation only for either selfish motive, even many people say because of speed. Why you need a speed? Can anyone tell me why you need a speed to write? Why you need a speed to write? Listen, one thing that is agreed, to take up some notes. But your mind is working around 1200 to 1400 words per minute. But your hand will be working maximum 60 to 80 words per minute. Na? Or more than that you can work. What is your typing speed? You cannot go more beyond that. 120 is very special case. Normal it is 60 to 80 words per minute. Thinking wise 1200 to 1400, agreed. But finally you have to do work all through your only hand. Na? So better to come down your thinking speed also to 60 to 80. Na? If you can make your mindset to work at working level, that is 60 to 80 words per minute, your thought clarity will be much better. So you are putting your thoughts under a magnifying glass. What more you want? That will help you to maintain this throughout life. And no surrender to the situation. You can comfortably fight out to the situation. Only thing that why we flight? Because of some sort of fear. Why fear comes? Mind's instability or less of confidence. No other reason for that. Less of confidence, why comes? Person who has not got support from his fatherly figure, he is lacking the confidence. Still, if we can firmly maintain certain size and the shape of alphabets, automatically nature gives that support and you are comfortably, you can fight out the situation, confidence doesn't derail. This is the benefit how that I'll demonstrate you with few examples. Writing work or practice. Now, whether you are practicing it on ruled paper or plain paper, both. There are few books available in the market which is having a normal width of between the lines. Rest, few called executive diaries or some other paper which are bit shorter, called executive diaries. And very few books you will find they have bit larger than the normal size. Now how this size affects the writer? Can anybody think on this, or have anybody given a thought on this line, that this size between the line affects the writer? Can anybody tell me their experience of writing on this page or this page or this page? Have they experienced some difference? Have you experienced some difference? Okay, you are not thought, but have you experienced any difference in this? Have you practiced in all the three? In this, that is why all the executives are always in squeezed area. Simply, madam, I hope you are not executive. That is why she is enjoying. That is why she is enjoying. Because when we are in normal width, we can comfortably spread our hands. In this we are not. Otherwise we have to go in some other area. That is why in corporates only one thing is going, how to pull others' legs. Because they are in disturbing others' area either up or down. Otherwise they cannot write. So for their survival, means to complete the writing, for their survival, they have to pull the legs or they have to poke their noses in others' field, others' area. This is what is going on. That is how we are confirming through graphology. Correct? If you are in a normal routine, comfortably you can adjust anywhere. Yes, if you are practicing little bigger size, then you will be uncomfortable in both the areas. This you will find very specifically director's PA or chairman's PA practicing shorthand. They have a bigger space in their book. That shorthand book, that people cannot adjust with any stuff. That is why they are only fit for that area. They can only talk to the top level people. They cannot manage them with the low grade people, because they have habit of using a good space area. This is how their character differs from others. So better to practice in a common accepted rule paper. Correct? This is how graphology helps you. Again, in plain paper, what size you take? What size of alphabet you take? Yes, my dear, what size of alphabet you take? Your writing size. This is an idea for writing size, na? Now in that also if you are writing a big, because why you are writing a big, there is no limit for you. The moment you practice this type of thing, so anywhere, anytime you can go heavy, because you have not set your boundaries. Baba, this is my limit, I can only work up to this. Then you may be exhausted a bit faster. Even in your writing a plain paper, then you should. That is a different thing. That is why if you are practicing in this line, will give you a habit of maintaining yourself in a particular stream so that you can adjust anywhere in the life. Whether at low level people, high level people, you can adjust comfortably. This already I have told you. Whether how much they will be adjusting themselves. Unnecessary interference, they cannot adjust themselves.